If you love traveling and earning rewards, the Emirates NBD dnata World Credit Card might have caught your eye, but is it really worth applying for? Here's an honest review. This card is designed for frequent flyers, especially those who travel with Emirates or book through dnata. It offers a generous rewards program, including air miles on every purchase, airport lounge access, and travel-related perks. Most people get this wrong by only looking at air miles, but the card also provides benefits like travel insurance, concierge service, and discounts at partner hotels. The reward structure is straightforward. You earn points on all spend categories, with higher rates for flights, travel bookings, and select lifestyle purchases. These points can be redeemed for Emirates Skywards miles, making it easier to book flights or upgrades. For example, spending on groceries or dining still earns rewards, but at a lower rate compared to travel purchases. The card also offers travel protection, including lost luggage and travel accident coverage, which adds security for frequent travelers. Airport lounge access is included through partnerships, so long waits at the airport can be more comfortable. Fees and eligibility are worth noting. This is a premium card, so the annual fee is on the higher side. Eligibility usually requires a good income and credit score, and applying without meeting criteria may lead to rejection. One surprising truth is that while the card shines for travel, it's not as competitive for non-travel purchases compared to cashback cards. In conclusion, the Emirates NBD dnata World Credit Card is an excellent choice for frequent travelers who value air miles, lounge access, and travel perks. If you don't travel often, the benefits may not outweigh the costs. Subscribe for more credit card reviews, travel reward strategies, and tips to maximize the value of your spending.